హాయ్ టు ఎవరివన్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. మైసెల్ఫ్ రంగబాబు పున్నపు. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో 4th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ వర్క్ బుక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి థర్డ్ యూనిట్ అయిన ఎడిషన్ అనే టాపిక్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాని గురించి ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. 3rd, 4th, 5th అన్ని సబ్జెక్టుల యొక్క వర్క్షీట్స్ కోసము, అట్లాగే ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంటెంట్, వొకాబులరీ, గ్రామర్ లెసన్లకు సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ ఏవైతున్నాయో వాటి కోసం ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోవద్దు. ఇక వర్క్షీట్ 1లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయేసరికి సబ్ టాపిక్ 4 డిజిట్ ఎడిషన్ వితౌట్ క్యారీయింగ్. డూ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎడిషన్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, యాడ్ 2143 to 3645. We will get 5788. Second one, add 3541 to 4237. We will get 7778. Next one, add 4237 to 3652. We will get 7889. Next one, add 3768 to 6231. We will get 9999. Next one, add 2561 to 7125. We will get 9686. Number 2, add 6120 and 3524. We will get 9644. Problem number 3, add 4263 and 3651. We will get 7914. Next, problem number 4, find 3521 plus 5324. We will get 8845. Problem number 5, find the number which is 2340 more than 5328. Means we have to add these two numbers. We will get 7668. Worksheet number 2, subtopic word problems, addition without carrying. First one, Adilakshmi, member in a self-help group SHG, deposited 5600 towards savings and rupees 2150 for loan installment in Andhra Bank. How much total amount did she deposit in the bank? Question number 1, what information is given in the problem about deposits and savings? B, what is to be found? We have to find out total deposit in the bank. Next one, which process do you follow to solve the problem? We have to follow the process of addition. Problem number 2, Adilakshmi, member of self-help group, deposited 5600 towards savings and rupees 2150 for loan installment in Andhra Bank. How much total amount did she deposit in the bank? First one, how much amount is deposited by Adilakshmi for savings? That is rupees 5600. Next one, how much amount is deposited by Adilakshmi for loan installment? That is rupees 2150. What do we do to find the total amount deposited by Adilakshmi? We have to add both deposited amount and loan installment. Then we will get total amount deposited by Adilakshmi, that is rupees 7750. Worksheet number 2, subtopic word problems, addition without carrying. How much total amount did she deposit in the bank? First one, money deposit for savings, that is rupees 5600. Money deposited for loan installment, that is rupees 2150. Total money deposit for both means savings and loan installment, that is 5600 plus 2150. Total amount deposited in the bank, that is 7750. And the next fourth one, the given problem is how much total amount did she deposit in the bank? Total amount deposited in the bank, that is 5600 for saving purpose and rupees 2150 for loan installment. Total amount deposit in the bank, that is 7750. Worksheet number 3, subtopic word problems on addition. Problem number 1. In a marriage function, 1352 water bottles in the first and 1514 water bottles at the end were served. How many bottles were served in total? Number of bottles used in the first, that is 1352. Number of bottles used at the end, 1514. For getting total number, we have to add both first and end, then we will get the final answer, that is 2866. Means total bottles used in the marriage function 2866. Kamala sold 3200 candles and Vimala sold 5346 candles during Diwali season. How many total candles did they sell? Number of candles sold by Kamala 3210. Number of candles sold by Vimala 5346. Total candles sold by them means both Kamala and Vimala. For getting total, we have to add both Kamala and Vimala total sold candles, that is 8556. Problem number 3. Govind distributed 2346 books and 1523 plates to the students on the occasion of his son's birthday. How many items were distributed by him? Number of books distributed by Govind, that is 2346. Number of plates distributed by Govind, 1523. Total items distributed by Govind, we have to add the above two, then we will get total items distributed by Govind, that is 3869. Problem number 4. Arvind sold cotton worth rupees 4324 and jute fiber worth rupees 5025 in the market. How much total amount did he get? Worth of cotton sold by Arvind, rupees 6324. Worth of fiber sold by Arvind, rupees 5025. Total amount he get, we have to add both the sales of cotton and fiber, then we will get total amount, that is 11349. Means total amount get by Arvind through sales, that is 11349. Worksheet number 4, subtopic addition with carrying. Do the following. Add 2564 to 7364, we will get 9928. Add 1049 to 8923, we will get 9972. Add 2417 to 5624, we will get 8041. Add 4603 to 4849, we will get 9452. Add 2561 to 6499, we will get 9060. Number 2. Add 2542 and 6870, we will get final answer 9412. Find 6589 plus 8763, means total, that is 15352. Problem number 4. Find the number which is 6534 more than 7026. Add both numbers, then we will get 13560. Then fifth one, complete the table. One is done for you. For adding these two numbers, we will get 9829. Next, for adding 2980 to 4,567. We will get 7,547. Then adding 2,980 to 3,984, we will get 6,964. Then same process is repeated for the given numbers. 8,642 plus 6,849, we will get 15,491. 8642 plus 4567, we will get 13,209. 8642 3984, we will get 12,626. As usual, 7,293 plus 6,849, 14,142. 7,293, 4,567, 11,860. 7,293 plus 3,984, we will get 11,277. Worksheet number 5, subtopic word problems on addition. Nagesh spent rupees 5,450 for his father and rupees 8,500 for his mother to purchase clothes on the occasion of Sashtipurti of his parents. How much money was spent by Nagesh? Amount spent on purchase of clothes for father, that is 5,450. Amount spent on purchase clothes for mother, that is 8,500. For total amount, we have to add these two. Then we will get the amount which was spent by Nagesh for his parents, that is 13,950. In a factory, 4,738 soaps were made on Monday and 3,878 soaps were made on Tuesday. How many soaps were made in 2 days? Soaps made on Monday, 4,738. Soaps made on Tuesday, 3,878. Soaps made in 2 days means we have to add on Monday and Tuesday, then we will get the final figure, that is 8,616. Problem number 3. In an orchard, there are 3,865 sapota trees and 2,548 mango trees. How many trees are there in all in the orchard? Number of sapota trees in an orchard, that is 3,865. Number of mango trees in an orchard, that is 2,548. For getting total trees, we have to add these both, means sapota and mango. Then we will get the final figure, that is 6,413. Next one. Arjun purchased a TV for rupees 5,500 and a cooker for rupees 3,645 from a shop. How much money he has to pay for both the articles? Cost of TV rupees 5,500, cost of cooker rupees 3,645. Money spent for both. Adding these two, then we will get the final figure, that is rupees 9,145. Worksheet number 6, subtopic word problems on addition. On the first day of a fair, 3,468 persons visited. On the second day, 1,234 more visited than the first day. How many persons visited the fair on the second day? First one. What information is given in the problem? Number of persons visited in exhibition means fair. What is to be found? Number of persons visited the fair on the second day means 2 days. Which process do you follow to solve the problem? We have to follow the process of addition. Problem number 2. On the first day of fair, we already discussed it. Then the next one. How many persons visited on the first day? That is 3,468. On second day, how many persons visited more than first day? That is 1,234. How many persons visited on the second day? For getting total figure, we have to add the first day and the second day. Then we will get the the total figure, that is 4702. Means total persons visited on the second day, that is 4702. Problem number 3. On the first day of a fair, already we will discuss it. The next one, number of persons visited on the second day. Means when we add these two, means first day and the second day, we will get the total figure, that is 4702. Next, fourth one, how many persons visited the fair on the second day? 4702 persons visited the fair on the second day. Worksheet number 7, subtopic word problems on addition. The cost of a bicycle is rupees 7945. The cost of a tricycle is rupees 1680, more than that of a bicycle. What is the cost of the tricycle? Cost of a bicycle is rupees 7945. Cost of a tricycle is more than that of a bicycle. Means we have to add the 1680 to the cost of a bicycle, that is 7945. We will get 9625. Problem number 2. In an election, 3256 votes were polled to Ratnam. 2693 votes, more than that of Ratnam, were polled to Mohan. How many votes were polled to Mohan? Votes polled to Ratnam in an election, that is 3256. Mohan got more than that of 2696 votes of Ratnam. Votes polled to Mohan. So we have to add these two, then we will get a final figure, that is 5949. Means Mohan got 5949 votes. Number 3. In a village, the number of males is 1563, more than the number of females. If the number of females is 3865, what is the total population of the village? Number of females in the village is 3865. Number of male is 1563, more than the number of females. For getting total male population, we have to add these two, that is 3865 plus 1563. We get 5428. Means total population in that village is 5428. Means male population, total male population. Then the fourth one, Kumari has rupees 5340 and Suhasini has rupees 1480, more than that of Kumari. How much amount Suhasini has? Amount at Kumari, rupees 5340. Suhasini has 1480, more than that of Kumari. Kumari amount. Suhasini has, we have to add these two figures, that is 5340 to 1480. We will get 6820. Means the final amount which was having Suhasini at right now, that is 6820. Worksheet number 8, subtopic addition more than 2 rows. Do the following. When we are adding these three, we will get 8037. Adding these three, we will get the final answer 4272. Adding these three, we will get 7316. Adding these three, 6957. Adding these three, we will get 8928. Estimate the following sums in A and match them with B. This one rounded to 6000, rounded to 7000, rounded to 8,000, rounded to 9,000, and rounded to 5,000. Number 3, estimate the nearest thousand of the number which is 3,752 more than 5,438. Means we have to add these two and then we have to round it off to nearest thousand, that is 9,000. The result is to the nearest 9,000 of the number. Find the missing number in each of the following. Here the missing number is 0. Then we are adding these three, we will get 1,452. The missing number 0 and 1. In the second row 2 and 7. When we are adding these three, we will get 15,691. First row missing numbers are 5 and 4. Second row 2. When we are adding these three, we will get 8,079. Worksheet number 9, subtopic addition more than 2 rows. A company manufactured 2,789 cars in the first year, 3,968 cars in the second year, and 4,195 cars in the third year. How many cars did the company manufacture in the 3 years? For getting total number of cars, we have to add first, second, and third year cars. Then we will get the final figure, that is 10,952. Means total cars manufacturing in 3 years are 10,952. Problem number 2. A farmer spent 3,868 on repairing the pipelines, 8,595 on electrical fittings in the house, and 4,568 on painting the walls. What is the total expenditure incurred by the landlord? Means we have to add all these expenditure which were made by a farmer, that is pipeline and fittings and the paintings. Total expenses are 17,031 rupees. Problem number 3. There are 4,573 men, 3,968 women, and 1,436 children in a town. What is the population of the town? For getting total population of the town, we have to add total men, women, and children. Then we will get a total population of the town. That is, for adding these three, we will get 9,977. Means this is the total population in the town. Problem number 4. The number of students in primary, middle, and senior classes in a residential school are 5,028, 2,397, and 1,845 respectively. What is the total strength of the school? For getting total strength of the school, we have to add the students of primary class, students of middle class, and students belongs to senior class. Then we will get 9,270. This is the final figure. Means this is the total strength of the school. Worksheet number 10, subtopic addition, fill in the blanks. First one, 3,456 plus 78, 78 plus 3,456 are both are equal. 6,374 plus 2,468 equal to 2,468 plus 6,374. 3,040 plus 2,563 equal to 2,563 plus 3,040. 1,450 plus 3,860. It is equal to 3,860 plus 1,450. Last one. 5,489 plus 39 equal to 39 plus 5,489. Add in expanded form. The expanded form is 900 plus 70 plus 9, that is 979. 800 plus 90 plus 6, that is 896. Subtopic assessment, do the following. For adding these two, we will get 7,883. Adding these two, we will get 9,115. Adding these two, we will get 15,583. For adding these two, we will get 15,558. Adding these three, the answer is 5,720. Adding these three, the answer is 11,972. Estimate the sum and match the following. One is done for us, that is the first one. It is rounded off to 6,000. Next one rounded off to 8,000. Rounded off to 7,000. Next one. Third one, Salman and Srinu caught 2,431 big fish and 1,239 small fish. How many fish did they catch in all? For getting total number, we have to add the number of big fish and the small fish. Then we will get the final figure, that is 3,670. Means total fish they get on the day is 3,670. The cost of 1 quintal of rice is 4,586. The cost of 1 quintal of dal is rupees 1,795. That is more than cost of 1 quintal of rice. How much is the cost of 1 quintal of dal? Cost of 1 quintal of rice is 4,586. So for getting total cost of 1 quintal of dal, we have to add these two. Then we will get the final cost, means total cost of quintal of dal, that is 6,381. ఇది మనకి థర్డ్ క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి థర్డ్ యూనిట్ ఎడిషన్ అనే టాపిక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి 10 వర్క్షీట్స్, అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుంది అని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే ఈ వీడియోకి సంబంధించిన లింక్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకో మంచి వీడియోలో ఒక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.